Dylan Green. By the way, this is my channel on the screen.
No, we'll do the...
It's like we're in a secret bunker, like or in the war, like there's a giant wall, and then people go down and they go up, like going back.
Whoa! All right, thank you.
My feet are cold. My feet are cold. Whose feet is mine? Your feet are cold.
No, no.
Still I'm being pushed off the chair. What? One.
See how good that does. Little John. That's all.
Oh!
Yeah, we had one blow up.
Where's my exploding one?
Hallelujah.
Gone. Oh, there's another one. It's like the system is glitching. Oh! It's like the system is glitching like that. You know the glitching sound?
Yeah.
You know what? That's what it sounds like. And it all comes down. Except the bottom one.
Well, we got one that blew up. But like I said, you got to watch what you're doing because it fell right down there.
Oh, that one's on fire, the middle one. It's gonna burn.
That one right there, only 15 bucks. That one right there. Right there, 15 bucks. Whoa! Hallelujah! We got one that shot us. Woo! Lord's blessing us.
What a couple sparks went into the crowd.
Woo!
Those ones are on fire.
Yeah. Tommy in the city. Yeah. You guys got an X blessing because we're not supposed to do that.
Look at that.
Here we go. Now we got some major big boys.
Oh no.
Hey, that's just the little stuff. Wait till you see this. This one's called Seventh Heaven.
Oh, this is gonna be a big one. I can tell. Because they're backing away.
Yeah. We got them doing some trippy stuff today. Yeah.
It's gonna be loud.
They'll remember this. This one's a really long fountain. We've had it for years.
Sure does a lot.
I'm hoping it's going to work.
But I know there's gonna be a surprise.
Not went through it in.
It's just gonna blow up. Damn.
We're going to do this one next.
Oh no. That's a surprise.
Where is it?
They're all on the
there.
last
Where?
few ones are really big.
There it is.
It's getting higher. Dylan, to me. No. Take it back. Okay. Right now, I'm not paying Dylan any money, so he's just doing this for free. I don't care. Your paycheck,
that Kraken
paycheck in a week is $100. All right. No. I don't actually care. Your paycheck is 1 cent. Dylan was just like, eh. I just said Dylan's paycheck was 1 penny, and he was like, eh. Hey, at least I get something. You get 0 pennies and 10.
Okay, we got one here. It's called,
You owe me $1 billion.
I'm sure you guys stood up.
This one's going for about like a minute or so.
No, we didn't get the Iron Maiden. That's what we were thinking about it. No, he didn't.
Which one are you going to do?
No, that's Iron Maiden.
Okay. That, we got,
We were looking at Iron
that one's cool. Yeah! That's a long one.
How long has that one been up there? About a minute or so. 2 minutes or so. You guys, we can still hear you because the thing.
Yeah, they're like big
Yeah! Let's go.
Apparently one of the black cats is supposed to make a gigantic film.
Yeah, you can. Trust me, we went to Wyoming, the Black Panther store.
It's called Seventh Heaven, so.
It's still going.
I can buy them and put them in my yard.
Yeah, within our yard, we'll be getting fire to the grass is dry.
Dude, have you think they saw enough? Have you think they saw enough since tomorrow it's going to be...
Man, it don't want to quit.
Come on, dude, look.
It just wants to keep going.
I don't care. Keep pouring.
And that's just the big. Whoa! Okay, put this. We got a Brooklyn Bridge here. Wait till you see this. You like the crackling balls, don't you?
Yeah!
Well, this one's a fountain. It's a kick. It's called...
It's called what?
Called what?
Because that needs it right there. That needs it bad.
Come on.
Four more big ones for you. This is going to be the Nard. Watch this. This thing is awesome.
That's fine.
Watch this.
Brightness to full.
Watch this.
It's going to make a big boom.
Make sure.
Have you watched this one? Oh, that looks like claws because there's 3 marks like this. Like this.
Oh! I got you!
That was cool.
Look at the smoke. It still goes all the way to there.
All right. Okay, iron.
Holy moly. It's Iron Man.
It's called Iron Man. This one is big. Maybe we'll shoot something in
Here,
the sky
I'll
like
tip
pulse.
it, and you line it right there.
What if that goes all the way about right there?
Dude, look how many stars there are. It went from that scar from that.
Okay, come on. I haven't seen this one yet. Let's see what it does.
One's on fire on the ground.
Oh, it's already doing some effects.
Show the one on the ground. One's on fire.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Doesn't stop. Oh, I can't play Roblox when I get to your house because my phone's getting really dead.
My mom got this charger.
I can't pan it while it's charging.
Me too.
No, because it's gonna run the charger then. Oh god.
Close your eyes. Pick me up. Look at this. Look at it. That's all because of the smoke.
Come on, Adam. Look. Zoom them out. I mean, we're doing the podcast, so they can't hear us. Yeah, we can. That's to take a picture.
Yep. And we're gonna do.
Yep. Don't do that.
Wait a minute. That might light the Kraken.
And And actually, they could hear you, so they sure heard everything you said.
Oh, they've seen 26 minutes.
Those videos are hours long.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's like 10%. Why'd you put
It's 10%. Why'd you put it on low battery mode?
I didn't mean to.
It's on the last
Whoa!
After this one, I mean, this is the last one.
Well, let's just keep... No, there's guy has the last one right there in his hand. There's one more.
No, there's two more. One down there. One
Save the
right there.
best for last. This one's called White House. And then the last one's going to be Gator Revenge. And I'm telling you, you're going to love both of them.
Wait, did you buy that one?
We didn't. I was looking at it.
Here we go.
White House
Hold on.
next.
Yep. I was trying to get you to buy the Gator one.
And you got to get back to home.
Yeah.
I was making sure it's
It's
mine.
right at the top. No, you just like one. It's going to do it, Tommy.
Oh God, look at the smoke!
Oh, no way!
Smoke's so good!
That's awesome.
And they have to breathe it in.
Whoa. That's awesome, man.
And on the bottom is something on fire.
You know how bad it stinks after you drink Coca-Cola?
You know how bad it tastes when you drink them and burp?
I didn't mean to
Smell.
Yeah. It's gross. It smells like that right now.
Except for it smells like a stink bomb. Oh, Stop yelling now. That's the White House. That's the White House for you.
Hey, everybody, hold on. We're going to do the Gator Revenge. He's mad because the White House just kicked it. Well, he's going to kick him. Come on. Yeah, do it. The Gator. Come on, Gator Revenge.
Go. Gator Revenge. Let's do this, baby.
You might want to pull you back.
Now, my brother named all these, okay? Watch this one.
Cool.
Well, the girl just said it looks like chocolate.
It was him.
No, it was a girl.
It's got some effects. That's pretty
It
cool.
was his mom.
A lot of effects on
She
it.
just
man.
said it looks like chocolate. That's what she
Come on.
How's this going to kick
Oh,
the White
yeah.
House?
You're thinking, it ain't doing much. But, oh, yeah. You better stay back, Tom. Oh, it's not much, is it? Yeah.
No.
Never gators like to wait back and then get you. You just watch this gator.
So bad.
You suck.
We're talking to the gator.
There we go.
Not bad.
All I know how to do is some offensive words.
Not bad.
They're not that bad. Oh God. It smells really bad.
It's kicking you. That's cool.
That's where
It's
you put your
teasing you.
nose.
What's good?
That's
Yeah.
not all.
That's what I'm trying to say is
It teased him, didn't it? Hey, All right. Okay.
Now can I?
I really appreciate you.